This is going to be an unboxing video of the new Kyrie Irvings that I got the boys. They have not seen them. They came in a couple of days ago. This is the first time that they've gotten a pair of Kyrie's, and you'll see their honest reaction to seeing the shoes in person. All right, boys, come on. Moment of truth. Where's your brother?
I don't know. He's in the unknowns.
Okay. What's in here?
A box of shoes. I told you, Kian. Them.
Okay, so let's see. Let's see whose or what. Okay, so.
Okay, that's mine. Are they heavy?
5.5.
That's Kian's.
So this is kind of Kian's. So don't open it yet. Hold on.
That's mine.
4. Okay, don't open it yet. Look at these. 5.
I like these boxes. I'm gonna have to keep them.
4. Okay, so hold on. Let's take this box out.
Get out, fucker.
Let's just hold on. Just do a little. Hold on. So we have 2 different boxes here. We have a purple, very, very nicely done purple box. Cool designs. So it says on here, strength, agility, focus, and speed. Right? That's Kyrie's logo right there. It says, mastering your craft is a journey. Kids, Anta, Kyrie's signature. So, see, tell me what your...
Wait, how do you... I like this. Do you like this? Is this slip-ins? How do I even take this thing?
What do you think?
It's good.
What do you like about it?
I like that they have a lot of color. I like the design. Can I help to open this one? The black and gold one. This is the northern style one.
Okay, so what do you like? Give me a breakdown.
like
What do
the
you? Ryan's gonna
colors.
go first. Okay,
This
so
one because I like bright colored. The shoes and these ones are like really bright colored, and the tongue's bright colored, and like on the side it's like the red and blue ones.
these are really cool.
And it's like also on this side it's just silver. And how I like on this one is that it's like a gray and a white, but it also has a different like lightning bolt, and the tongue's also colorful on this one. That I don't have to tie these. These are the colors of your gym.
They are.
But where's the lion? That's a really funky color shoe. Are these my school shoes or basketball shoes?
Let's see. Oh, number 11. His number's on there.
Where?
And it says Ansa right here. On this shoe, it says his number. The boxes are some of the coolest boxes we've ever seen, right?
Yeah. And then I got both.
Yeah.
These ones are like, it has this little hole thingy.
Mm-hmm.
This is Velcro.
Velcro?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Does this even, is this my size?
What size is it? It's a 4. So you're not a 4 yet, but you're getting there.